composite fish culture and fish farming. So the basic principles of composite fish culture system is the system is the stocking of various fast growing compatible species. So introduction, the evolution of high fishing and technology of composite fish culture. So investigation conducted from the early freshwater culture division of General Inland Fisheries and Research Institute as a raised freshwater fish culture to the scientific status from the empirical traditional levels. The full utilization of the pond productivity for the maximization of fish at the aim of the composite fish culture achieved through the intensive culture. The fast growing the fish species with the complementary feeding habitat, occupying the different ecological niches in the pond, crops and satisfy these demand, and since they feed on the lower the links and food chain except the lowest feed are economical to be culture. The objective of health and economically variable the fish and crop is released through appropriate the manipulation of the fish stocking of the fish ecology. In principle of the methodology of composite fish culture remains the small all over the minor modification to the local needs. Cora and Pillay have required the participate in polyculture in Indo-Pacific region. The various steps of the methodology of composite fish culture are outlined in the foreign accounting recent advancement. So, the basic comfortable species of fish and complementary feeding habits and utilization of efficiency, the natural food present and different ecological niches. So, ecological niches in the pond and maximizing the fish production. The fish production is a fish production, composite fish culture technology in the brief involved the eradication of aquatic weeds and predatory fishes and liming. So application of fertilizers and the basic application of basic fish liming and application and fertilizers on the basic of pond soil, water quality and stocking with 100 ml size and finger. In Indian major crops, katla, rohu, katla, rohu, and exotic carps and silver carps, grass carps and common carps and indigenous combination. Indigenous combination and the density and regular supplementary feeding and harvesting of the at suitable and composite fish culture. The system is conducted so Indian major carp indigenous density and regular supplementary feeding and harvesting of fish and suitable time and combination culture in Indian major carp saloon, the culture of exotic carp saloon, the culture of Indian, the exotic crops and together the fish production vary between the 3,000 to 6,000 kg per hundred per year, hectare per year is obtained the normally through the composite fish culture system development and intensive. The pond management measures have the lead the increase the fish and further integrated fish and animal husbandry system involved the recently are the fish and come culture, the fish come polyculture, a fish come pig culture, utilization of the cattle farm, at waste of the recycling of the, biogas plants and slurry for fish production. So advantages of composite fish culture. The composite fish culture is the most advantageous popular culture and techniques and practices in country. Uh, the main advantage of this composite fish culture is high production by utilizing feed and pond effectively. In this system, farmer can supply different species based on the market demand. The fish involved in composite fish culture depend on the temptability and feeding habit and fishes of the fishes. The following the varieties of fishes of India as well as the exotic type of have been identified the recombinated for the composite fish cultures. So katla, rohu, common carp, mrigala, silverfish, so grass carp. Is available of technical parameters of composite fish culture. Selection of pond following the technical parameters should be consider the pond selection, cleaning and existing ponds, cleaning and existing ponds, deeping of shallow and ponds, the evacuation new ponds. So impoundments for marginal areas of water bodies and construction and repair of the ponds, the construction of inlets, outlets. So any other items of like a civil structures of pumps and set water supply arrangement, electric supply arrangement. So pond management. Pond management. So pond management. So pond management, the fish following technical parameters should be considered in the pond management. Pond management plays major and critical role in any fish farming before and after the stocking of fish seed, The fish farmer should be consider various measures for the post stocking of the fish feed maintained as below. The free stocking. In case of the new ponds, for free stocking activity starts with the liming and filling of the pond with the water. This liming will be balance the pH and increase the soil resistance and kill the parasites. The required dose of the lime is 200 to 250 kg by however, the actual required does not depend on the pond soil pH value. It is very important to go for soil pH testing before the starting a new pond culture. In case existing pond, clean up the ponds and remove the weeds by chemical, manual, and mechanical means should be carried. So soil pH 4.5 to 5. So liming 2000 kg per hectare. So 1.2, 5.2 to 6.5 thousand hectares, 1000 kg per hectare. So organic manure, cow dung is at the rate of 5,000 kg per hectare, or any other organic manure equivalent manurial value can be applied. This can applied after 3 days of liming. So fertilization of manure in composite fish culture. So fertilization of the pond in the fish farming, the importance of the in the culture by increasing the natural productivity of the pond. The fertilization should be schedule should be made based on the quality of the pond soil. Organic and inorganic fertilizers can be used for best result. The fertilizer application should be suitable, modified the depending on the growth of the fish in the pond, feed reserved in the pond, and climatic condition. Inorganic manure. This should be carried after 2 weeks of organic manure. The following the chart show the details. So stocking in composite fish culture. The pond will be ready for the stocking after 2 weeks fertilizers application in the fish fingerlings of 50 to 100 grams of size. Approximately should be used to stock in the pond at the rate of 500 per 1 hectare. So the present model of the stocking is the advanced fingerling and rearing for 10 to 12 months, depend on the availability of fish seed, the market condition stacking can be of the 3.4 or 6 pieces and combination in the below and ratio maintained. So post stocking and composite fish culture. So supplementary feed generally the needed more food than what is available naturally in the pond fishes. In the pond can be fed with a mixture of rice board and oil cake in the ratio 4:1. Farmer can use the cottonseed oil cake, which is the compared little cheaper than groundnut oil cake. The fish feed can be placed on a feeding tray in a feeding bag and should be lowered to the bottom of the food. And feed can be dispersed at the to the pond. The recommended to feeding rate 5 to 6% of the body weight to the 500 gram size of the fish and the reduced to 3.5 of the body weight from 500 to 1000 gram size. Manuring. Organic manuring should be done in monthly installment, 100 kg per hectare. Whatever the inorganic fertilizer should be done at the monthly intervals and alternating with organic manure. However, the monthly rate of the fertilization will be depend on the pond productivity, the growth rate of the, make sure that fertilization should be not needed exceed then require the, otherwise they may result and eutrophication. Eutrophication. So harvesting and composite fish culture. The fish culture can be harvested at the end of the first year when the fishes attain the average weight of 500 grams to 1.50 kg. So with the proper management and care, a production 4 to 6 tons hectare can be achieved in a year. The harvest is done by partial dewatering and repeated netting. So increase the fish production in composite fish culture system. A number of techniques are being following by fishermen to increase for the production. The following are the some of them. So stocking pond with the advanced fingerlings and earlings. Heavy stocking the multiple harvesting after the fishes attain in size of 500 grams. Multiple stacking and the multiple harvesting and use of the aerators integrated the fish farming with the dry for dairy, poultry, piggery or ducky get daily organic manure in the pond. Generally, it was good to increase the fish farming 7 to 10 tons per hectare per year. The above methods. The Morels fish farming, for cattle fish farming, and tilapia fish farming, and sheep or goats and farming. So very important and extension. So, however, the superiority of monoculture. So, generally, monoculture is the of single species. Monoculture is a single species of fish in pond. If only one species is introduced into a pond, due to the same dietary habits, all the fish and congregate at one place. And naturally, when the monoculture is preferred, more number of fish of dung species are the introduced. This result in high competition for a food space due to the fights and heavy mortality of fish and will occur because of insufficient amount of the food. The fish will not grow to good size and the is affected monoculture system. Other inches are the vacant in that area and that available found in these inches and remain the waste. Composite fish culture is undoubtedly more superior over the monoculture. In composite fish culture, the above problems will not be pond and see variation of the fishes and utilize the food of all inches of the pond. Get a good amount of the food, grow well of without any competition, and the earth it is also very high. The mortality rate in composite fish culture is the negligibility. Monoculture is developed about the 500 kg per difficult, but in the polyculture system, they are about the 20 times of more than monoculture with sufficient scientific management. The principles of composite fish culture. The scientific baseline technology of composite fish culture. The aim of the maximum utilization of the pond productivity, fast growing, and non-predatory and non-compatible species of food fishes are cultured together with the complementary feeding habits. So I am capable of utilizing the both naturally and the supplementary fish feed. At the same time of the is useful to the other. For example, the etc. of grass and carp are useful for growing the fish food organism. One which other fishes feed, the fishes never face any competition for space and a food. The bottom feeder, like a common carp and regala, subsist and partly on the matter of grass carp. If bottom feeder are the absent in culture pond, the excessive, the fecal matter of the grass and carp of the water starter. The optimum number of each kind of the fish and equivalent utilization of different ecological niches. The productivity potential of carrying the capacity of the pond can be increased by stimulating natural fish pond and production through fertilization. Supplementary feed to provide the aggregate, the food and large number of the fish data. So fishes use of the composite fish culture. So China system, Indian system, European system. So three systems in there. So stocking density and stacking ratio. Stocking density and stocking ratio. The management techniques, feeding, harvesting and assault in composite fish culture, biological problems, management problems, so harvesting problems, economics, integrated fish farming, so paddy cum fish culture, site selection, type of body field for integrated system. Very type, central pond type, so lateral race type. So paddy cultivation, rice variations, fertilization schedules, pesticides uses. So tomorrow class, so we will next how many types of composite fish culture I explain to next class. I will explain next class.